Hello baking friends. Today I'm going to show you a delicious recipe for a beautiful lemon cake that's light and fluffy and happens to be totally vegan too. What's amazing about this recipe is it's totally adaptable and you can throw in extra herbs and berries to make it your own. What I'm going to add today are some blackberries and some thyme. The full list of ingredients and the method are in the description below, and the first thing we're going to do is to curdle the soya milk. We're going to add the zest and juice of 2 lemons to the soya milk to do this, and what that does is to provide the kind of egg replacement in this recipe. It curdles in a kind of really gross and unattractive way, like you can see, to produce a sort of gummy mixture that helps to bind the cake together. Whilst the soya milk is curdling, I'm going to put my dry ingredients into a bowl and just mix them through with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped herbs, and I'm using thyme today. So into my dry ingredients, I'm going to put 110 mils of oil. I've used a groundnut oil. Next, I'm going to add in my curdled soy milk and give it all a good mix until it's well combined in a lovely, delicious looking cake batter. This is where the magic happens because everything mushes together and makes a light, bubbly looking batter. So I've got about 150 grams of berries here. These are blackberries. I'm going to save a big handful for the top, and I'm going to chop the other ones lengthways and mix them into the batter once it's in the tins. I've lined 2 8-inch round baking tins with parchment paper, and I'm going to put approximately half of the batter into each tin. So now I'm going to put roughly half the berries into each tin, and I like to give the batter a little swirl to help the berries sink down, and you get little flashes of pink throughout the sponge too. And now these 2 are ready to bake at about 175 for about 25 minutes. You can decorate this cake however you like. I've whipped up a quick batch of my delicious vanilla vegan buttercream, the recipe for which is in the description below. And we also have a video for this recipe coming up soon. Look at that, beautiful. Now that is a delicious lemon cake. Hit subscribe for your next batch of delicious vegan bakes.